Our next experiment is called colorful rain. Yes, colorful rain. So how would it be if rain was colorful? It would be beautiful, wouldn't it? So here I'm going to show you how to make colorful rain. Not exactly rain, it will look like rain. So shall we see what we need for this experiment? You will need a glass, some oil, water, food dye, and you will need a fork. So, do you have these things ready? Shall we get started? So, we will begin by pouring water into our glass. Pour little water. Next, we are going to mix our food dye into the oil. Here I am using pink and red. You can use any color that you like blue, green or yellow. I am using red. Now you see that the food dye hasn't mixed with the oil. So in order to make it mix, I am using a fork and beating it up. Now that this is done, I'm going to pour this into the water. So let us see what happens. Did you see what happens? Leave it alone for some time and you can see it looks like it's raining blood, right? Is it beautiful? Yes. Now, do you want to know why this happens? This is because we added oil and water. And as we know, oil is less dense compared to water, so it settles on top. However, when we add the food dye into the oil, the food dye along with the oil becomes heavier than water, and therefore the food dye alone moves from the layer of the oil into the water. This gives us the illusion that it is raining. So I like to call this experiment raining blood since I used red colored food dye. You can use any color like blue, green or yellow. You can also use all these colors together and then you would get colorful rain. So, did you enjoy this experiment?